You have chosen Tutorial. Click on this button below to open subtitles. This is an interactive video. You can control which information you would like to explore. Press 0 to return to the beginning of the video. 9 to skip to the end of the video. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 to skip or return to different parts of the video. Hover your mouse at the bottom of the video to view the video chapters. Click on the yellow line to go to a chapter. Timestamps are indicated in the description box below. Timestamps can help you go to specific chapters of the video immediately. Click on the box below to proceed to program selection. If you wish to return to the start of this video, press 0.